In the bottom two word problems, number 10 and then the first number 11, the directions say to write an equation but do not solve. So if we look at problem number 10, it says 14 less than 5 times a number is 3 times a number. When I have a algebraic sentence, I want to work above the sentence and show my work. So I know that the word 14 is going to translate into the number 14. I know that less than equals minus, but I also know that because of the word less than, I am going to have to flip whatever we're subtracting the way that it's written in words. Now, 5 times a number is 5 times, and then I'll put just a variable, which is m. The word is means equals, and then 3 times a number is going to be 3 times m. When you're dealing with these algebraic sentences and there's multiple phrases that say a number, make sure that you use the same variable. Now, if I were to just write this off to the side without switching anything, just simplifying what I have here, this says 14 minus 5 times m can be written as 5m. Drop the equal sign down, and 3 times m is also can be written as 3m. Now we cannot remember that the words less than mean to switch the order of what we're subtracting. So what your final answer needs to say is 5m minus 14 equals 3m. Remember, we do not have to solve it because of the directions. Number 11, it says for an annual membership fee of $500, Mr. Bailey can join a country club that would allow him to play a round of golf for $35. Without the membership, the country club charges $55 for each round of golf. How many rounds of golf would Mr. Bailey have to play for the cost to be the same with and without the membership? So the word same means that I need to set two things equal to each other. Well, we're going to set if he has the membership or with the membership equal to without the membership. And it tells me that in that last part of the sentence. Now, Mr. Bailey has to pay $500 for the membership fee plus $35 for any round of golf that he wants to pay. So that part of your equation is going to look like 500 plus 35x. Now we want to let x, make sure that we define the variable. Let x be the round of golf, or the number of rounds of golf. Now we're going to set that part of the algebraic equation equal to what Mr. Bailey has to pay without a membership fee. So since there's a membership fee, he's not paying an upfront cost. However, he is paying $55 for each round of golf. So $55 for each round of golf is going to be 55x. Remember, I do not have to solve that equation because all it said was to write, do not solve. In problem number 11, it says write an equation to find the value of x so that each pair of polygons has the same perimeter. Then solve. So if I'm talking perimeter and I need the two to be equal to each other, I am going to set the triangle equal to the rectangle. Okay, now this is perimeter, and remember, perimeter, in order to find perimeter, you add all the sides together. So the perimeter of the triangle is going to be x plus 6 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 9. And I'm going to set that equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. Now, remember, perimeter is all sides added together. So it only shows me two sides. However, since it is a rectangle, I do know that opposite sides are congruent. And so I can fill in what the other sides equal. Okay, now the perimeter of the rectangle is going to be x plus 4 plus x plus 1 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 1. Now, it does want us to solve this, and this is actually what we're going to be doing in the next 2 days. However, if you are watching this video, I can walk you through it. Anything on the left side we want to combine. So 6 plus 3 plus 9, if I combine the numbers, gives me 18. And x plus x plus x is going to be 3x. So the perimeter of the triangle is 3x plus 18. If I look at the perimeter of the rectangle and I want to combine what I have here, it's 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is 10. And I have x plus x plus x plus x, which is 4x. Now, it also wants me to solve this, so let's move the smaller variable to the other side by subtracting 3x on both sides. It gets me 18 equals 1x plus 10. And then my last step would be subtract 10 on both sides, and I get that x is equal to 8.